Have you ever seen a glass animation that looks completely 3D and cinematic? Today, I'm going to show you a secret PowerPoint glass animation trick that creates an amazing 3D depth effect using Morph transition. By the end of this tutorial, your presentation will look like a professional motion graphic. Make sure you watch until the end because your slide is about to be completely transformed. Hello everyone and welcome back. Before we get started, I have a small request. If you enjoy easy and advanced tutorials on PowerPoint, Excel, Microsoft Office, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any future updates. First, open a blank slide in PowerPoint. Right click on the slide, choose Format Background, select Picture or Texture Fill and insert a high quality background image of your choice. Now, insert the same image again, go to Artistic Effects, choose Blur and increase the blur radius around 40. This will give the image a soft glass-like appearance. Now comes the real magic. Open the 3D format and set the top bevel to round. Set the width to approximately 50 points and the height to 15 points. This is the secret setting that creates realistic glass reflection and premium 3D depth. Next, go to picture corrections and reduce the brightness to around -35%. This makes glass effect looks even more natural and realistic. To give the glass panel a modern look, click crop to shape and choose a rounded rectangle. Crop the shape again and adjust its height and width to match your design. Try to keep the shape perfectly centered to maintain the clean and balanced UI design. Now, add an attractive title and some body text to your slide. Next, insert the same background image once again and crop only around the leaves or object that you want to appear in front of the glass or pop out effect. Use the remove background tool to remove the unwanted areas. Repeat the same process for the other leaf or objects. This simple layering technique instantly gives your slide a impressive 3D depth effect. Now, it's time for most exciting part of this tutorial. Duplicate the entire slide by pressing Ctrl D. Go back to the first slide. Select the glass shape. Click crop and drag only the crop handles downward. Make sure you are moving the crop handles, not the image itself. Then move the title and body text slightly downward and reduce their size a little. Now select the second slide and open transition tab and apply the morph transition. That's it. Your glass panel will smoothly expand, your text will animate beautifully, and your entire slide will transform into a cinematic motion graphic. Run the presentation in slideshow mode and watch your simple slide comes to life with a stunning 3D glass morph animation. If you enjoyed this 3D glass morph technique, comment amazing below. Share this video with your friends, classmates, colleagues, and anyone who wants to create professional PowerPoint presentations. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to design a professional PowerPoint dashboard. So don't miss it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.